In fact, the line will move so fast that that actually people can't even get close to it. Like that's, I think it'll be able to produce a car ultimately in less than 5 seconds. Like, can you imagine a car coming off the line in less than 5 seconds? That's like, whoa. Which means casting's got to happen fast.
Elon Musk has officially unveiled the 2025 Tesla Model 2, and it's nothing short of a revolution. This isn't just about specs that blow away the competition. It's about a radical shift in how cars are built and delivered. Tesla's newest plan is so bold, it's reshaping the auto industry from the ground up. Think factories larger than the Pentagon, AI-driven supply chains, and 3D printed parts made on demand using advanced SpaceX technology. Tesla is eliminating outdated processes like warehousing and replacing them with a streamlined, high-speed production model that no other automaker can replicate. And the result? A new Tesla that's more affordable than ever. This is Musk's master plan to get 5 million Model 2s on the road by 2027, and no one else is even close. Still sounds unreal? Stick around, the numbers and strategy behind this will blow your mind. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. 1. What makes Tesla's Model 2 production strategy a threat to every other automaker? Tesla is turning the traditional auto manufacturing model on its head with the Model 2. The cornerstone of this shift is the Mexico Gigafactory, a massive 8 million square foot facility, larger than the Pentagon, built to move at lightning speed. With modular production lines, Tesla can launch new factories in just 6 months, something legacy automakers take years to accomplish. This means faster deployment, more flexibility, and the ability to respond to market demands almost instantly. They've also secured multi-billion-dollar battery material deals that are 40% cheaper than the market average, locked in for the next 8 years. That alone gives Tesla a serious cost edge. But it goes deeper. Tesla vertically integrates 92% of its components, compared to the industry average of just 40%, giving them total control over quality, pricing, and innovation. Their AI-powered logistics system has slashed inventory needs by 65%, while actually improving part availability. That's the kind of optimization other automakers only dream of. Tesla plans to ramp from 250,000 units in 2026 to 1.2 million Model 2s annually by 2027. Their labor efficiency is unmatched, producing 7.2 cars per worker, nearly double the industry average of 3.7. They're also cutting per-vehicle production costs by 8 to 12% each year through continuous innovation. While other automakers hit a ceiling, Tesla keeps getting leaner, faster, and smarter. 2. How will Tesla deliver 5 million Model 2s globally by 2027? Tesla's plan to flood the market with 5 million Model 2s is more than aggressive. It's strategic and calculated. The key is a synchronized global manufacturing network. Each gigafactory in Texas, Mexico, Berlin, and Shanghai is ramping up simultaneously. By early 2027, Giga-Texas will be pushing out 1.2 million units annually. Mexico will top 1.7 million by year's end. Berlin hits 1.1 million by Q3, and Shanghai contributes another 1.4 million by mid-2027. This kind of scale breaks the usual barriers. No more shipping delays, tariff issues, or regional mismatches. Tesla is aiming for dominance in at least 27 countries, positioning the Model 2 as the top-selling vehicle in multiple markets. Their pricing strategy, internally called the Impossible Triangle, offers unbeatable range, price, and performance in one package. Legacy automakers can't compete without sacrificing one of those three. Tesla is also targeting first-time car buyers like never before. For millions, the Model 2 could be their very first car, and maybe the only brand they'll ever stick with. This shift doesn't just mean more sales, it means long-term brand loyalty and a massive market takeover. 3. How is Tesla delivering cars faster than anyone thought possible? Forget waiting months or even a year for your new car. Tesla's parallel production strategy is about to change that forever. While other manufacturers expand one plant at a time, Tesla is launching full-scale production across 4 continents at once. Their modular system allows each gigafactory to ramp up together, cutting wait times drastically. Where other automakers offer 8 to 12-month delivery timelines, Tesla aims to bring that down to just 4 to 6 weeks. Their configure-to-order model gives you the flexibility to update your car's options up to 7 days before it goes into production. That's unheard of in traditional auto sales. Quality is standardized globally, so it doesn't matter where your car was built, it'll have the same precision and performance across the board. Tesla's direct-to-consumer model also eliminates dealership markups, delivery bottlenecks, and the frustrating factory lottery that comes with other brands. Plus, with localized production, your vehicle travels up to 74% fewer miles, meaning less wear, lower emissions, and a quicker delivery to your driveway. 4. Why is Tesla replacing warehouses with on-demand 3D printing? Tesla is once again rewriting the rules. Instead of stocking endless shelves of parts, they're building cars with parts printed on the fly, using metal 3D printing tech straight from SpaceX. These AI-powered printers create brackets, housings, and connectors in real time, based on your specific order. That means zero excess inventory, faster production, and smarter customization. This change alone slashes logistics costs by 67% and removes global supply delays from the equation. Some Model 2s will only begin production after a customer places an order. Tesla is literally printing your car in response to your click. This just-in-time approach was impossible with traditional supply chains, which required months of advance planning. Now, production can start within hours. Tesla estimates this saves nearly $1,900 per vehicle by cutting waste, middle management, and unnecessary delays. But the real benefit? Higher quality builds, fewer defects, and more trust in the product. For veterans, families, seniors, and everyday buyers, that means safer cars, more value, and better peace of mind, all at a price that competitors can't touch. So if this new approach shocked you too, drop Model 2 in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of this EV revolution, subscribe. What's coming next from Tesla is even more unbelievable.